Hey everybody, welcome back to How to Build a 105 Thunderchief. 10 minutes at a time. Alright everybody, I got the bottom of my wings here, I got them all sanded. I just stopped on 800 on this one. Because I got to make these little deals here. See how they all stick up? So I got two models here, and they're both raised up on both models. I don't really know what they're for, because that's where the pods mount there. They ain't for that. I think they're to reinforce them gear. These wings kind of look like they's all patched together with scrap. Anyway. But looks like they piled some more on top, toughened it up a little bit. That's what it looks like to me. But we got to make them. And I started out this morning. Dad came over, and while he was scaling them things up, I was making some new circles. Okay, look what I made these out of. Is that thin plastic? Stop sign. Or for sale sign is actually what that was. Bam! I'm going to glue them right there. One there. And one there. Bam! So it'll just be raised up just a frickle. You know? I think that'd be cool. And I got to thinking to myself, why not just use that stuff to make them deals? So you know what's really crazy is I answered myself back and said, yeah, that'd be a real good idea. So, bam. So right there. That's where that one goes. Bam! Alright. And this one. Here, let's see, that's this wing. There's rights and lefts to these things. Here. See that little hook? That little hook? Yeah. Okay, now this one's gonna go more like right here. Kind of run down the center there. It got a little dirty. I had them all nice and clean. Sanded the other side so I'd get a good glue joint. And bam! On this one right here that's kind of doubled. See where it's kind of doubled there? I think what I'm going to do, here's rights and lefts to these two. I'm going to put this on there like so. I'm going to cut it and I'm going to round this top edge a little bit and I'm going to slide that one underneath so it'll look like it's layered on there. You know what I mean? And that gives a real scale looking wing. What you think? Yeah, Dad came over this morning and scaled them up for me. Yeah, I'm good right there. Let's go ahead and mark this one. Couple little marks there. And see, epoxy don't stick to this plastic worth a darn. You know, so. And this is what I was going to, you know why I bought this? This is what I'm going to make my parting plane on that rounded top part of the canopy. I just haven't showed you guys yet. I had it all figured out all along. I just wanted to see if anyone would pop in there with my idea. Y'all failed the test. Oh. Okay, now let's go ahead and cut this one. Okay. Now that, we'll put that right there. You see, then we'll put this one right there and we'll overlap that flange just a freckle. And that'll look like it's bent around it. We just gotta sand this edge a little. Round it just a freckle. Okay, now give me some glue. I sanded these back edges and I stopped here at 600. I'm going to glue these on with this goop, plumbing goop. Okay, I'm going to spread this stuff on there thin and stick it on there. Let it sit overnight. Take this cap off in a while. Grab some pliers. Just a little bit out of there. Glue actually starts to set up pretty fast, so. Bam, I'm gonna stick it on there. Okay. Here's my mark. Oh, except it's backwards. I'll go on it. Cut that glue with. Let my goof off go. Oh yeah, that worked nicely. Okay, now this piece is right there. Yeah, that's the rounded edge. This one goes right there.